Hey language learners, looking for a polished, practical app that gets you speaking real-world sentences fast without the gimmicks? That's Babbel. Bite-sized languages, crystal clear explanations, and everyday conversations in 14 languages. Today, we're going to be unpacking the full review from alllanguageresources.com, how the app works, what it does, and what situations it's best in. Let's dive in. Babbel serves up 10 to 15 minute lessons built around real dialogues. Ordering coffee, chatting about weekends, and handling travel situations. Everything is practical from day one. You'll cover vocab, grammar, listening, speaking, reading, and writing in one flow. Grammar tips pop up right when you need them. They're short, never overwhelming. And speech recognition fine-tunes your accent. Lessons are grouped by topic and level, so you always know where you're headed. There's also a quick daily review system that keeps old material fresh without feeling like homework. The interface is clean and efficient. There's no gamified over-the-top visuals. You can download lessons for offline use, sync across phone, tablet, and web, and jump between devices seamlessly. Bonus tools include podcasts, games, cultural notes, and short stories with interactive subtitles. So here are the pros. First, the content is super practical. You'll actually use what you learn. Second, it's got excellent explanations. Grammar is clear and digestible. Third, they've got high-quality audio by native speakers. Fourth, great value, $7 to $14 per month, and it's even cheaper on yearly plans, or lifetime access deals around $300 when they run. It also works really well for beginners. Cons. The conversations stay pretty surface level. Not ideal if you want deep debates or slang-heavy banter. And they've only got 14 languages. The big ones, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, etc. But surprisingly, they don't have languages like Korean, Japanese, or Arabic. Speech recognition can also be very finicky with your background noise, and it's not as fun because it just doesn't have the gamified features. However, many users love the efficiency. One reviewer said they could hold basic travel conversations in Spanish after just a couple months of daily lessons. Another praised the grammar tips for finally making verb conjugations click without memorizing endless charts. Finally, let's see how Babbel compares to the competition. Duolingo is free and gamified, but it is weaker on explanations and depth. Rosetta Stone is a lot pricier and more immersive, but it's light on grammar help. And Pimsleur is audio only and great for speaking, but completely skips reading and writing since it's audio only. Babbel hits the sweet spot for most people who want structure, clarity, and usable phrases fast. Bottom line, if you want a no-nonsense app that teaches you real ready sentences with solid grammar backup, Babbel is the best on the market. Try the first lesson of every course free, and then grab the current deal on our website, which is about 50 to 60% off at alllanguageresources.com. So if you're ready to sound like a local on your next trip, check out the link below and drop your target language in the comments. What are you learning for? Like, subscribe, and let's get talking.